Hello and welcome to Frank's School. That's pretty ugly, I know. You might not even realize what you're looking at. But I talk about extreme mulching. And what I've done there, that's just a couple hours work really, maybe more, a little more. But I laid feed sacks down and I laid wood, either pieces of pallet, cut pallets, not full pallets, or else old rotten barn boards on there to keep the wind from blowing. And then I also put some plant containers upside down to see what would happen. They're not heavy enough to do a good job, but I thought they might mulch a little round area. Why everything is so crooked, seemingly crooked or curved, is because those are on perfect contour lines. They're following ditches that I dug 30 years ago that are still there. That ground is very wet. You couldn't plow it. You couldn't rototill it. It's very wet, and that's the way it is. And I'm not so sure about how much. I'll sow something in there, I think, but mostly I wanted to make sure once the coarse grass grows up that I might still be able to get to those ditches to get that drained again. I've neglected this for quite a few years, and now I'm in the process of restoring it. So anyway, there's feed sacks with boards on. There's what's a creamy white is the skirting on from a house trailer that went the whole way around it that I saved. You know, it's vinyl. This is stuff is a nasty material that just doesn't degrade. The feed sacks, nah, they're not great either. But then the third row away is cloth. I spoke about that. That's that cloth that is polyester, I think. It's pretty nice to use for that purpose. All right, well, I thought I'll film this and maybe I'll put it online, but it'll be a way of having some idea what I mean by extreme mulching in nearly impossible conditions. Bye for now.